Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Codeblocks on Windows 10. So first go to any browser and type Codeblocks. Once you do that, just click on Codeblocks. Then click on Downloads. Close this and then click on download the binary release. Then just go down and look for Microsoft Windows. Then click on the sourceforge.net for Codeblocks 25.03 main GW setup. The download will start. Okay, now click on next. Now click on I agree. Now click on next and then click on install. Okay, now just click on no. And then click on next. Now click on finish. Now go to your PC. Then go to C drive. Then go to program files. Then go to Codeblocks. Then click on main GW. Then go to bin and copy the address. Close, search PC, then right click on PC, click on properties. Now click on advanced system settings. Then click on environment variables. Then under system variables, click on path, edit, new and paste. Okay, okay, okay. Now if you open the command prompt, And if you want to check your C++ compiler version, just type G++ space hyphen version, press enter. Okay, now open Codeblocks.